how to add recommended apps widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and then tap on widgets. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on recommended apps, and then touch and hold on recommended apps widget and drag it to your home screen and let go. Now when you quickly want to view recommended apps, you can just tap on that and it will open up a list of recommended apps for you to use. And here, reminder, so you can tap on that, tap on the allow button to open it. Samsung calendar. So downloading Samsung calendar now. Just need to update Samsung calendar to use it. Looks like it's having trouble accessing the Samsung calendar server, so we'll try it again later on. So we've got reminder, so we can tap on that to open up reminder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.